In this video, we will be comparing the two operating systems, iOS and Android OS. We hope that by the end of this video, we will be able to decide which operating system is the best suited for you. In this video, the topic that will be covered are the background and the pros and cons for both of the operating system.
First off, it is the background of the Android and the iOS. For Android, Palo Alto was the founder of the Android Incorporated, which initially developed by Android OS with Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White. In 2005, Android was sold to Google with over 50 million, along with Rubin, Miner, and White as part of the acquisition. In 2007, Google joined the Open Handset Alliance with a goal to develop the first truly open and comprehensive platform for mobile devices. For iOS, in 2005, Steve Jobs began to plan the iPhone. He started an internal competition which led by Scott Forstall and Tony Fadell. With Scott Forstall winning the competition, iPhone OS was born. On July 10, 2008, Apple has opened the iOS App Store with 500 applications, and it has been rapidly increasing ever since, until today, which contain 3,062 million applications in the App Store. In June 2010, Apple rebranded iPhone OS into iOS, but unfortunately, the name iOS was used by Cisco for over a decade for its operating system used on the router. To avoid any potential lawsuits, Apple licensed the iOS trademark from Cisco before using it.
For now, we are going to talk about the pros and cons of the iOS and Android. For Android, they have a fewer limitations. Android has a lot of the components you get with your desktop computer, and they have a large app store. Android has at least 4 times more apps than the Apple Store and 70% of mobile development for Android devices. And they are customizable. Android can truly make your mobile with endless customization for innovative developers. For coding, Android need more code on Java than Objective-C, and they have a poor security. Android are low in security, and fake apps can be enabled to isolate your data from unknown assets. The big problem for the Android is battery consumption. Android has the heating problem not only affects the user's experience and handling, it also hurts the battery life of the device. For iOS, Apple is exclusive. Apple has apps and features that can only be found on Apple devices, and is popular. Apple has famous logo that people know immediately what it is, and they have an excellent security. iOS are more security than Android, as iOS is not an open source. For iOS, everyone knows that Apple devices are expensive. Apple devices are not cheap. These products are in the category of hundreds of dollars, and repair costs are very pricey, and it's not flexible. iOS is not open source. It only supports iOS devices, and it's not allowed download apps from anywhere. iOS prohibits users from downloading applications from anywhere other than Apple's App Store. They need to jailbreak their phone if they want to download apps from browsers or others.
In conclusion, both operating systems have their own advantage and disadvantage. So the final answer as to which is better will end up being largely subjective and dependent on what you are looking for in a phone. And there you have it, iOS vs Android. We hope that you gain some knowledge after watching this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more assignment video. Thank you.